welcome back to my channel. This lighting is looking super weird. Anyways guys, I'm sure you guys have been wondering where I've been. A lot of people have asked me questions. A lot of people have been wondering where I've been. Oh my god, this lighting, I look so orange. Anyways, let me go to my room. So I'm just here to, you know, update you guys and tell you guys what's been going on. I really don't have much to say except thank you guys for being patient with me. It's been a few weeks that I've just had a lot going on, and maybe someday when I'm really comfortable to talk about it, I'm gonna share with you guys. But first, I've decided to do a vlog. I am going to Toronto tonight and my flight's at midnight, but I really wanted to, you know, record and enjoy this moment with you guys. I think I'm feeling a lot better, so I'm gonna be vlogging my trip. I'm already packed. My bags are right here. Back to the living room. So my bags are over there. That's my box and that's my backpack right there. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog most of my trip. I'm gonna vlog when I'm at the airport. I might not vlog on my way there because a friend of mine is dropping me at the airport, so I don't want to have to explain why I'm holding a camera in your face. Anyways, so what's been going on, guys? Tell me what you guys want to see on my channel. And if you're loving my hair, I decided to crochet my hair and I love it. It's all 30 inches. Yeah, so I just have a few more things to do before I start my trip. I need to grab my face mask, because you know how when you travel your face gets very dehydrated and dry, so I want to avoid that at all costs. So I actually have just 2 masks left, and this or Sephora mask. I've had this for like ages. So what I'm gonna do is let me just check if I have anything. So what I'm gonna do is when I'm about to land, I'm gonna use my face mask. I need to pop this in my backpack because I don't want my face getting really dry. I already applied my treatment and everything before my trip, so yeah, it should be a good trip. I'm looking forward to it. I'm spending 7 days in Toronto and my sister is also in Toronto at the moment, and so I'm excited to see her, even though I saw her recently. But she's here, she's family. I love her. I can't wait to see her. Yeah, what have you guys been up to? Let me know what you guys want to see on my channel. I said that before. Let me know what you guys want to see. Leave a comment down below. If you really want to know what I've been up to, you might just try asking me a question. I might tell you what's up. Anyways guys, I'm so happy to be vlogging, like really happy. I was thinking that it's gonna be super weird holding the camera again, because believe me, since my last video I probably haven't held the camera, and I've just been super lazy, super tired, super exhausted, dealing with stuff I have to deal with. Anyways, I'm just rambling now. I need to grab my earrings. I'm ready, just chilling for my friend. It's still a long time before my flight, but I just like to be ready, and plus the fact that I've been looking forward to this trip for the longest time. I've been having anxiety because of this trip, so now that it's finally here, I'm so happy. I just wanted to show you guys my jeans. I got this from, oh my god, it's my stomach. I got this from Urban Behavior. Like, I love your jeans, and a lot of people seem to like me when I wear these jeans because I look hot. Anyways guys, this is probably the happiest I've been in a while. So if you like what you see, if you like the joy on my face, if you like the glow, leave a comment down below, and I think I'll see you guys at the airport. Bye guys. So I made it to the airport and I already checked in and did everything. I'm just going to be going to wait for my flight. It's so weird when I'm vlogging by myself because I feel like people are looking at me. My head is big. Hey guys, so it's been over 24 hours since I landed, and believe me guys, I've been so tired. I haven't even, like, I got here, oh my god, I got here, changed into my PJs, and I've been sleeping the entire time. It is what's the time? It is 11:46 the morning after I got here, and yeah, that's how lazy I have been. So right now I'm just waiting for my sister to show up. I'm supposed to like do a couple of things with her, and before she leaves for our own trip, so I'm gonna be by myself till then. Anyways guys, so Toronto is super annoying because there's a lot of traffic. Toronto reminds me of Nigeria, like low-key Lagos. I got in yesterday morning, and guys, I was in traffic for 3 hours. 3 hours. I was supposed to get here like an hour, 10 minutes, 30 minutes max, but the traffic in this town gives Lagos a very good look. But anyways guys, so that's my view right now. Not bad. The city is actually not bad, but I just feel like if I'm leaving Nigeria for like the whole stress of traffic and everything, if I'm leaving all that in Nigeria, I don't expect to see it anywhere else. But it is what it is. But I love Edmonton. I'm so sorry. I love Edmonton. I love my life in Edmonton. I can predict everything that's happening in Edmonton, but Toronto is just like, another thing is fire alarms and emergency services are always going off. Like there's always something happening. It's scary as anyway. So like I said, I'm supposed to meet up my sister and explore with her today, and hopefully I can get this vlog on before like my next couple of adventures. My friend Ali has a list for me that I'm gonna start going to her on that list today. But anyways, I'm so happy I'm here. Like this is the second city I'm visiting in Canada besides Calgary. Calgary was still in Alberta, but this is the other first province I'm visiting, so I know I'm not gonna like it, but I'm just gonna make the best use of it. Honestly, I don't like Toronto, so I don't know what I'm doing here. It's too crazy. It is too crazy. Like the news and everything I hear is already bad enough, but when I actually experience traffic for 3 hours, I'm like, nope, there's no way I can like this city. Anyways, already had breakfast. I'm gonna take a shower, wait for my sister to get here, and yeah, hopefully I don't sleep again because that has been happening a lot. Oh, and I hope my sister lets me vlog because she's annoying for my vlogging. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm all fresh faced and, you know, dressed up. So guys, I'm done with my makeup. Ooh. And I'm just waiting for my sister to get here. She just messaged me and said she's on her way here, so I'll see her soon. I decided to just do a really nice bit. Anyways guys, loving my jeans. Same jeans I wore yesterday. And my shirt is also from Urban Behavior, I think. It's a body suit and I got it in this colored black. Anyways guys, I'm feeling myself. Anyways, I can't wait for my sister to get here because I'm now tired of being indoors. Oh, my purse is also really cute. Yeah, so my sister will be here soon and I'll be out of here soon. Anyways, ooh, I don't have any earrings, so I hope I can steal from my sister when she comes. spicy tamale. I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, so my sister is here.
Hello.
So we're just about to go to Chinatown and we're gonna be taking the bus and the train.
Okay.
Are you?
I'm not really excited, but
But you're excited to see me.
a little. Yeah, I've seen you a couple of times recently, so I'm excited. Yay!
I'm no longer like new to her. Like she has taken me for granted. It's life. All right, guys. So we'll see you in the bus. AliExpress new.
You did not buy from me.
AliExpress.
On your blog.
Yes. AliExpress, $17.
What do you call it? Let me buy the type.
I'll send you the link.
I feel like this is vulgar. No. What's this?
Hermes. So we just got to the train station and we're waiting for someone to come pick us up. My sister is upset, like seriously upset, because someone is pacing around. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Are you excited?
I'm okay.
What are you thinking?
I'm just thinking about to get out of space, that's all.
She is tired of Toronto. Believe me, I am too.
I usually wear like a vest and I do my best to make my wall.
How are you feeling?
Do I pout?
It's a video!
Yeah, do I pout? Do you want to see my pout?
Please lighting.
It's nice actually. Hello, baby.
Oh my god. Stop this. Stop this. I love my sister.
everything anyway. Everything and anything.
What are you? Who wants to show your face? Don't let my followers go and unfollow me. Like, oh, I look so bad. What did you say?
I'm only giving you one.
Okay. Thank you.
Fata.
I want to.
Why are you rubbing your hair?
Do you show fantasy? I think you. Okay.
You can put the.
Let me take a picture of the. Says your.